wiper blew out and got it all washed up, cleaned up, and now we're gonna go out for a test drive. I turned the car down and I'm gonna let the wife drive it because I do want her to end up racing this year, as you guys know, and so I'm getting a map on it for her to start with, and then we can always turn it up from there. But behind me, she's all nice and clean, ready to go out to Mexico, have some fun. You ready to have some fun? All right, let's lock up and go. Well, we're going out now. Wife's driving. What do you think of that tune?
I was kind of more concerned about the clutch because it's a brand new clutch.
So it's pretty easy.
It's easy for now.
Until it breaks in.
Yeah.
And then they're a little bit more of a pain.
It feels like the old clutch right now.
Yeah, it doesn't feel bad at all. Drives a little smoother than it did with cam gears on it before.
Yeah, it drives actually.
Yeah, it doesn't go back and forth and jerk you. So I'm gonna go in here and walk over the car. So once we get out to Mexico, I'll update you guys. Right now we're just gonna cruise out. She's gotta get used to this clutch here. Here we are out in Mexico. Wife's not used to how loud the car is here. Yeah, here.
Like all the way through.
For it.
Jesus.
Oh, you gotta grab the next gear there, bud.
I did grab the next gear. It was very loud.
Well, you had plenty of room to keep going.
I was scared. I thought the road was turning.
Well,
Keep going.
yeah.
I can't get into gear even. It like ends right there.
It does not. It helps when you floor it.
It sounds like it's gonna blow out.
It's not gonna blow up.
Oh,
Jesus, you wanna punch me?
I was trying to punch you, yeah. It literally sounds
Listen here,
like
pal.
it's gonna
You
blow
need to
out
shift the
back.
car. It's got flames coming out here.
I
Yes.
know, that's what's so sketchy.
It's a race car.
I'm not used to race car.
This is on the, I don't know if this will focus on there, 32 PSI map. It's turned down right now, and as you guys can tell, she's trying to get used to it again.
Yeah, I'm not used to fast. You stole my cars.
Whatever. You're not. I stole the heart to your car.
When was the last time I drove blue?
It's been a long time. Probably since I went to jail.
So literally getting it out of the impound lot, I think. Was the last time.
Here's your next chance to revive yourself. Here's your straightaway.
Is it right?
Right here. Grab second, flat foot it. I'll probably stop.
They're just taking pictures.
Well, but
I flat-footed, I just got scared after I flat-footed.
you can't get scared or panic or do that at this power level here. This is a bit turned up. Do I need to put it on wastegate here?
I'd probably be faster.
Alright, let's try this again. Much better.
I redeemed myself.
But you need to rev it out more.
No!
Think of the power.
She's pretty fast.
This is only on 30 pounds. We still got another 15 to go.
Nope, she's fine.
You race gray on more than this at the track.
I'm used to gray. This one is pap, pap, pap everywhere.
Not used to the open down pipe. Oops. And we have AC on. There you go. track. Told her I don't really care if she doesn't flat foot the car, because obviously, as you guys saw, she did really good there. We can always work on that. But I'd rather be more focused on her getting the 1-2 shift, because that's what matters the most at the track. If you don't get your 1-2 shift, she's not going to get the time she wants. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and log this so I can see what's going on. Now, you ready to do this? All right.
I forgot how.
How?
It's been like a year.
It is not. There you go. See, now you have to rev her up forward and then preload the clutch to come out. It's gonna spin. Come on, you got this. Everybody says she's got it. Huh? All the way forward. Yeah, it's gonna go up to 6,800.
Jesus Christ.
Come on.
That's so loud. I can't.
You got this.
What if I break it?
Yeah, I don't think I can turn launch control down right now. Nope, I can't.
Spicy.
Come on. You got this. I have the faith in you. It's gonna spin, so just go. For it. Come on. Well, first, we probably should turn off traction control. So, redo. You did good. Everything was great. You need to sit on launch control for a little bit longer because the car needs to build boost. Oh, getting spicy. We're backing up.
Aww. Nope.
Alright, you gotta sit on launch control a little longer. you when to go on launch control, okay? And I'll tap you when to shift on second. So, go in for it. Yeah. She's a little hot. Alright, well, we built all the boost that time. We'll go ahead and cruise her. Let her cool down. We just did a John Forrest burnout.
Smell the clutch?
I smell tires.
That's good.
So, it's making quite a bit of power. Deciding if I turn it down just so we can get this launch down. Because we can't really launch at this power on the street, guys. It's just on some all-season tires. It's not on slicks. So I don't think we're going to get what we need out of it. It's not going to be the same.
Track fine.
It's going to be like that at the track where it puts you in the seat that part.
But I saved you. It's fine.
You did. You're fine. Clutched in. Is that a bunch of bugs?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Well, we'll find another spot out here and we'll just work on shifting for now. There's just no way we're going to be able to get a launch down out here. There you go.
Oh, more straight away.
Much better. Getting better and better. It's not as bad as you do it a couple times. Oh yeah, it's loud.
Noxious.
Race car.
It's gonna give me a headache.
Well then. She can go back to her Audi, boys.
What?
What?
I can't hear you. The car's so loud.
It says she can go back to her Audi, boys. Nice Prius. Alright. Well, let's go out here and pull off somewhere. So, right now, oh geez, bump collision. I'm testing tire boost map. And I gotta make sure it's 100% forward, so I went ahead and switched seats over. Now, this is on 40 pounds, guys. This should make good power. This is my street map, so I did take a little bit of timing out. We'll see what it does right here. Pretty fast.
I would have never been able to do that.
Huh?
I would have never been able to do that.
Well, I don't think our log helps me because it threw traction control on. Hopefully that's... Are you taking pictures?
Go.
Note to yourself, probably should have turned off traction control, which we didn't. So now we did. Here, give you a pull. I say she's a little fast, boys. Couldn't really hook till about the top of third there.
I didn't log it.
Oh,
Not bad.
pretty happy with the power it makes. What do you think?
Just rowdy.
That's how I need you to drive.
Oh, never.
You have a screen you can see what you're recording.
What? Yes, I'm recording you.
You can't see me either.
What?
It doesn't show me at all.
Oh, well, it shows you on this side.
Weird. I'm like, what are you recording? So apparently this goes somewhere. I'm gonna turn some of these. I gotta turn this down. And up. Nice little surroundings. We made a little stop. We're gonna take some pictures of the car. Wife wants some nice photos of it. And it is super nice to have this thing out and be enjoying it. Teaching her furthermore how to drive it. Can't wait for the next race day. So that being said, that is probably going to wrap up this short little video for you guys. Just going out and enjoying the car, having a good time with the wife, getting her furthermore used to the car. So hopefully we can get her racing this year. And it probably is, to be honest, a little bit much power to be teaching at. She has definitely driven these cars at power before, but this car obviously is pretty aggressive with where it's tuned right now. So glad you guys got to tune in, see this, see some progress of it, you know, be along with us, and hopefully we'll be able to go out racing soon again with this car. That's going to wrap it up, guys. And I don't know what this video might turn into. It might just be a short video that goes up, or it's going to turn into another video. But that's going to wrap it up. Say bye to Hyper Blue and enjoy our nice open land, and enjoy the night.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living